Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we're talking about the NFT ART finance coin urgent update, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, friends, because this video gonna be special urgent for all of you, friends. Before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video, friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you because I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news, friends. So please subscribe now. As you can see here, first of all we talk about the currently price of the NFT art. As you can see here, 0.00000001 USD dollar is the currently price of NFT art, friends. And if you look, the prices occur in NFT art, so 18.56% negative change occur in NFT art in the 24 hours, friends. So friends, a lot of people ask me this question that NFT art is a scam, and as we should invest in NFT art or not, friends. So I first of all, I think that NFT art is the best investment in this time, friends. If we look, the price change occur according to the price of NFT art, so the price is very low, friends. So that is why my suggestion for all of you to please invest in NFT art, friends. Now I think it's not a scam. As you can see here, it's a good cryptocurrencies, and I hope they will give you good amount of profit in the future if you hold NFT art in the last half this year, friends. Now let's see the price statistic, the price chart of the NFT art, friends, for more details, friends. Let's see the price statistic. As you can see here, friends, 18.65% change occur in the price of NFT art in the 24-hour, and a lot of not showing here more details about NFT art, friends. If we talk about the market rank, so 4,985 is the market rank of NFT art, friends. Friends, NFT art is a new cryptocurrency. That is why the price is very low, friends, and the market rank is also very low, friends. As you can see here, and the starting of NFT art take a high jump. As you can see here, on this time, the NFT art take a high jump, but unfortunately, after some passage of time, a lot of people holders buy this. So after a passage of time, as you can see, the current situation of NFT art are going wrong. But friends, I know, as you can see here, the currently change as negative, friends. I know, but now if you look the current condition of NFT art, so I hope that after some passage of time they are ready to explode, and the big pump of the NFT art are coming soon, friends, in the future, friends. So if you are a hoarder, so please hold your coin in the last of this month, friends. I hope they will give you good amount of profit in the future, friends. So remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research and click the subscribe button, like this video for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.